Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video is going to be slightly different. So in front of us we do have a generator. So this generator failed the installation test, and this obviously the customer complaint on this car was well, he couldn't start the car, so we wouldn't go in radio mode. So this generator, you're going to be able to find one of these on the Qashqai e-Power. So yeah, hybrid vehicle, and well, the video today is going to be a tear down video. So we're going to take this thing apart and see what's inside of it. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So we're going to start by taking this off. So this is just a connector from it's connected to the electric board inside of this, so we're gonna unplug this connector. Just a quick one, apologies for the lack of light. I will do my best to show you as much as I can obviously all the components on this generator, but yeah, future reference, I'm on to the issue, so in order to improve the lighting on my studio, which is basically my garage. To the back of the generator, I'm gonna take all this bolts like so, and then okay. Now obviously this is the like I said, this wire connects from generator to the inverter. So it's, we take this little loom apart, and then we're gonna unplug this little wire as well over there. So then we're gonna undo those 3 bolts as well. This is what it looks like there. That's this bit done on this side. And then go to the other side. Take all of these bolts. It should be 13. So that's it. See? Gently separate. Also see some of the components already. Actually, I'm gonna try to undo this side first. See if it works better. So now we're gonna separate this side. See. If it's easier to do this side first. Body for the housing on one side. And then that's one side of the generator. There we have it, guys. The one side generator. And then this side obviously is cooled by antifreeze. So there's a section here to cool down the coil, if you like. And then on the other side we've got this. This way we are getting to the end of the disassemble of the generator from an e-power, the Qashqai e-power. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.